Welcome to the 9th Shalamar Surgical Symposium 2025, a landmark celebration of innovation, collaboration, and excellence in surgery. This year, the theme Bridging Theory with Practice brought together surgical leaders, residents, researchers, and students from across the globe. Dynamic keynote addresses inspired new thinking, while scientific sessions explored the latest advancements across specialties from bariatric and endocrine surgery to vascular, oncology, and robotic surgery. Hands-on workshops provided immersive training, empowering participants with cutting-edge skills in laparoscopic techniques, stapling devices, vascular interventions, and surgical robotics. Our interactive sessions, research presentations, and panel discussions fostered rich dialogue, bridging academic knowledge with real-world surgical practice. We celebrated excellence with recognition of outstanding research, innovation, and dedication to surgical education beyond knowledge sharing. The symposium created lifelong connections, nurturing the spirit of teamwork and mentorship within the surgical community. The 9th Shalamar Surgical Symposium 2025 stands as a testament to our shared commitment to advancing surgical care, education, and research. Thank you to all the speakers, participants, and organizers for making this event an overwhelming success. We look forward to seeing you again next year.